Well, hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And this one is just a quick video about the Turkish Lira, which got hit pretty hard today and stood out because I remembered reading about the Lira last week. And obviously, there's a lot happening quickly. So I won't claim to have all the answers, but something at least hopefully people should be aware of, because it was just last week where Lira soars after Turkey shocks the market with a whopping 200 basis point rate hike. Keep in mind, Turkey has also been buying a lot of gold reportedly over the last couple of years. And I don't get the feeling that they're on the good side of the US's sanction list. I don't know if they're currently being sanctioned, but I don't get the feeling the US is big fans of what they are doing. And then over the weekend, I think I had heard about this. Turkey's Erdogan ousts central bank governor in surprise move. So you can see right after that interest rate hike, the central bank governor, was replaced. So here is the Wall Street Journal article. I don't know if you're really going to get the full story in that one. But then coming back to today's article, dollar slips along with yields on US treasuries. Scroll down here, and I knew there was going to be something like this would pop up. Sure enough, Turkey's shock decision to replace its hawkish central bank governor also supported the dollar's safe haven appeal. So replacing the guy who actually raised interest rates supported the dollar's safe haven appeal. That tells me what I need to know. Markets have been slow to catch on to the rising dollar theme in recent weeks, as investors had bet that a global economic recovery would prompt buying of riskier currencies. So that premise is based on everybody in the world falling for the Fed's latest Ponzi scheme. But rising US interest yields and the prospect of more lockdown in several Eurozone countries have driven a widespread unwinding of short dollar bets. So can I prove that in a court of law? No. Will I try to prove it to you? No. But does that paragraph tell me about 95% of what I need to know on this one? Yes, it does. With that said, we will wrap up for there, but more coverage coming your way. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you again soon.